When it comes to creating your presentations, you can start from scratch with a blank template or use one of Microsoft's sample templates by coming up here, clicking on the File tab, going down to New. And there's a few here like Ion. See, there's the blank one that we're currently using, but if we want something that already has something there for us to work with because, hey, we like the color, we can work with that, keep the color, maybe change the text, select it to give you a preview. And the more images, when you click on that, just shows you the theme that will be displayed throughout the presentation. You only get one slide, but if you create like a slide that contains charts, these are the colors that it'll be using. So if you like that, then go ahead and click Create. If not, then you can choose another thematic color for the same layout here and going through that and saying, okay, look, if I create a chart, these are the colors it'll be using. If you don't want to use this one, instead of closing out of here and going to the next one, which would be organic, let's go back to this one. You can use the arrows and it goes over to the next one, organic. But let's go back and choose this one, click Create, and there we go. It starts you off with one slide. So at least it's got a theme for you as far as colors and text and shape effects go. And then you can tweak the colors, or you can tweak the text, or if it's just not working for you altogether, then why did you choose this one? In any case, basically people choose templates because there's something, a major theme or color or text or font that they really like that's already available there. So let's go ahead and go File, down to New. And if we don't like what we see here or we want more options, you can go ahead and search for it online and hit Enter. We'll type in Fall. Hey, we got some layouts here. This one's for education, and that's students. Back to elementary, flyer, ooh, calendar. Let's go ahead and select that one. And let's go through the images there. February, March, oh, that's fun. Okay, click Create. It gave us all these slides here. There should be one for each month out of the year. And then, of course, you can come over here and customize it. Click to add text, like towards the end of December 2015. You can say we had a fun party, after Christmas party, and whatever else you want to add. But just keep in mind that when you start your presentation, it won't show click to add text. It'll just have, well, we can go ahead and start the presentation if you want. It's a little bit premature, but hit the F5 key on the keyboard, and there's the presentation. See? You can move your pointer around and you can give a presentation on, hey, this is what I did. Here's what I did on this day. Here's what I did on that day. Stocks went up, stocks went down, whatever. And then hit the escape key to get back out. And if you don't like any of this, well, we could always go to File, down to Close, File, to Close. We have the shell of program still open, and if we want to start over, File to New, and then you're back to square one with a blank presentation or another sample template. You can even open up a friend's presentation or somebody else's if they give you permission to do so, as far as maybe working with some of their content there, and then just rearranging it, typing over it, adding new images, deleting theirs, and making it yours.